In this example, we have a ball that is shot from a cannon into the air with an upward velocity of 40 feet per second. The equation gives the height h of the ball at any time t. So looking at this function, we're plugging in time and we are getting out the height. And because we're talking about this velocity being in feet per second, I know this time is also in seconds. So plug in seconds and get out the height in feet. So it says, what is the initial height of the ball? Initial means plug in t equals 0. So h of 0, when you plug into this, you're going to get negative 16 times 0 squared plus 40 times 0 plus 1.5. So our initial height is going to be 1.5 feet. So initially, we're 1.5 feet off the ground at time 0. So the cannon's not flat to the ground, it's 1.5 feet up. I have a little cannon shooting a ball. It's starting at 1.5 feet in the air, and then we want to see what the maximum height would be. So thinking about this function, we have a negative value for a. So a is negative 16, which is less than 0, so it flips our u upside down. It's a parabola that opens down. So is it going to have a max height? Yes. So we're going to plug in to negative b over 2a to find that vertex. So for this one, we have a is negative 16, b is 40, and c is 1.5. So we have our a, our b, and our c. So negative 40 over 2 times negative 16. So negative 40 divided by negative 32. It is going to take negative 40 divided by negative 32, 1.25 seconds to get to the maximum height. Is that what this asks for, though? It says, what is the maximum height? The maximum height is 1.25 seconds. That's not true. We need to plug that in to the original function and see what that height is. So h of 1.25, I'm going to plug into the original function up here. Negative 16 in parentheses 1.25 squared plus 40 times 1.25 plus 1.5. My max height for this is going to be 26.5 with the units is feet. So the max height is 26.5 feet. How much time does it take to reach that max height? That's that 1.25 seconds. 1.25 seconds after we launch our ball in the air, it's hit that max height of 26.25 feet. So just be careful which one it's asking. We ask the max height first is at 26.5 feet, and it takes 1.25 seconds to get there.